if you're going to be building your own laundry room, we need to make sure it has all of the fun bells and whistles, and it needs to be a place that you want to hang out in. So some of the things that make this laundry room pretty awesome is, let's just start with the floor. It's a great pattern for the floor, and it's handmade tile, and it's also placed piece by piece. So there's a human element to this flooring. So then we, a functional sink for, washing the kids' clothes or, dirty socks or whatever you need to do. A custom folding table. It doesn't just have to be a countertop or an extension of a countertop. This is a really neat place to fold your laundry, and then also lots of bright light and a view. And I'm actually looking out right now. There's a cute little kiddo on her bike, and the parents are sort of following with the scooter. Everyone remembers holding the scooter for the other kiddo that just didn't feel like walking, right? So that just made my day, folding laundry. And of course, our laundry system, which is a front-loading system and room to fold items on top, and a custom drying rack. So we can, this system goes up and down. And the lighting's super fun. So everything about this room is just fun and exciting and airy and big, and a lot of entertainment outside.